Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Comfast CF-Xr181 Wi-Fi 6 AX1500 Wireless Repeater using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the Comfast extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, take your Comfast repeater and plug it into a wall power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router, in the same room for setup. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED light on the repeater becomes stable. On your main Wi-Fi router, find the WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup, button. It is usually labeled as WPS or has a small circular arrow icon. This button allows your router and repeater to connect automatically without needing a password. Press and hold the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED light on your router will start blinking. This means the router is now in WPS pairing mode and ready to connect with your repeater. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press and hold the WPS button on your Comfast repeater for about 3 seconds. The signal/Wi-Fi LED on your repeater will start blinking, indicating it is connecting to the router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. Once the connection is successful, the signal or Wi-Fi LED on your Comfast repeater will turn solid, not blinking. This means your repeater is now linked to your main router's network. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or smart device. You will now see a new Wi-Fi name, SSID, like your home Wi-Fi_EXT or your home Wi-Fi 5G_EXT. This is your extended Wi-Fi network created by the Comfast CF-Xr181. Unplug the repeater and move it to a midway point between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Your Comfast CF-Xr181 Wi-Fi 6 AX1500 Wireless Repeater is now successfully set up using the WPS push button method. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.